Look at this, man. Insane.
Yeah, that's a lot of snow.
Yes, it is.
Look at Trevor's Samurai.
Look at the snow on that samurai, people.
People who are about to watch this.
What do you think? What do you think, Brayden, about all this baloney?
Yeah, it's a lot of snow. A lot. What do you think about it?
I think it makes me very difficult to
Get around.
keep my routine of life with all this snow that dumps like this. But you know, might as well enjoy it, huh?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do today?
Probably go sledding. Yeah.
How do you feel that school's been canceled?
Awesome. Feels cool.
Don't you think that you're missing out on some very important education? And don't you think that it's a tragedy that you have to miss today?
No, not really.
So it doesn't bother you whatsoever that you are missing school today?
No.
Why? It's education, man.
But it's funner to go sledding. I mean, they're going to give us 2 weeks off anyways.
That's your reasoning, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And you're sticking to it?
Yep. Sticking to it.
Well, that's some funny stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'll have to talk to you later then.
Okay, bye.
Bye.